The P0170 code signifies a fuel trim malfunction on bank 1 of your engine. Specifically, it means your engine is running too lean. There's not enough fuel relative to the air. This imbalance disrupts the air-fuel ratio needed for optimal combustion and triggers the check engine light. By 2025, it's still a common issue, particularly in older gasoline-powered vehicles. Several factors can lead to a P0170 code. The most frequent culprits include vacuum leaks, faulty oxygen sensors, malfunctioning mass airflow sensors, clogged fuel injectors, and a weak fuel pump. Less common causes include exhaust leaks or contaminated fuel, particularly in ethanol-blended systems. Vacuum leaks in the intake manifold or hoses are a primary cause of P0170. These leaks allow unmetered air to enter the engine, disrupting the air-fuel ratio. Faulty oxygen sensors fail to accurately measure exhaust oxygen levels, causing incorrect fuel trim adjustments and triggering the P0170 code. A malfunctioning mass airflow sensor provides inaccurate air intake readings, leading to improper fuel delivery and a lean condition. Clogged or dirty fuel injectors cannot deliver the proper amount of fuel, resulting in a lean mixture and P0170 activation. A weak fuel pump delivers insufficient fuel pressure, causing the engine to run lean and trigger the P0170 diagnostic code. Less common causes include exhaust leaks, which can affect oxygen sensor readings, or contaminated fuel, particularly in ethanol-blended systems that may disrupt the fuel mixture. Identifying the root cause is the first step to fixing the problem. The primary symptom of a P0170 code is the illumination of the check engine light on your dashboard. This warning light signals that the engine control module has detected a fuel trim malfunction. You may notice reduced fuel efficiency, with your vehicle consuming more fuel than usual. EPA tests indicate this can result in up to a 30% drop in miles per gallon as the engine struggles with the improper air-fuel mixture. Rough idling is another common symptom, where the engine shakes or vibrates excessively when the vehicle is at a stop. This occurs due to the inconsistent combustion caused by the lean fuel mixture. During acceleration, you might experience engine hesitation, where the vehicle feels sluggish or unresponsive. This is evident in graphs showing irregular acceleration curves due to insufficient fuel delivery. In some cases, the engine may stall, particularly when idling or at low speeds. This dangerous symptom requires immediate attention to prevent safety issues. In severe cases, ignoring these symptoms can cause damage to the catalytic converter. The lean mixture leads to excessive heat, resulting in expensive repairs that could have been prevented with timely diagnosis. The first step in diagnosing a P0170 code is confirming it with an OBD2 scanner. This device reads the trouble code and provides data on fuel trim values. Next, inspect for vacuum leaks using a smoke test. This involves introducing smoke into the intake system to visually detect any leaks where air might be entering. Check the oxygen and mass airflow sensor readings for abnormalities. Oxygen sensors monitor exhaust oxygen levels, while MAF sensors measure incoming air. Look for erratic signals or voltage issues. Evaluate fuel injector performance by checking spray patterns. Clogged or malfunctioning injectors can cause uneven fuel delivery, contributing to the lean condition. Finally, evaluate fuel pump pressure to ensure the pump is delivering fuel at the correct pressure. Low pressure can lead to insufficient fuel reaching the engine. Proper diagnosis requires a systematic approach, testing each component in order to narrow down the source of the lean fuel mixture. Consider the Ford F-150 from 2010 to 2015 models. Faulty mass airflow sensors in dusty environments frequently trigger P0170. Dust accumulation clogs the sensor, leading to inaccurate airflow measurements and a lean fuel mixture. Replacing the MAF sensor typically improves fuel efficiency, boosting MPG from around 18 to 22. In Toyota Camry models from 2005 to 2010, vacuum leaks from cracked intake hoses are a common cause of P0170. These leaks introduce excess air into the engine, creating a lean condition that the fuel trim system tries to compensate for. A straightforward hose replacement costing about $50 can prevent potential engine damage and restore proper operation. Fuel quality can also play a significant role in P0170 occurrences. Contaminated fuel, particularly ethanol blends with impurities, affects the air-fuel ratio calculations. In some cases, simply switching to premium or higher quality fuel resolves the lean condition issues. Looking ahead, P0170 incidents are declining due to improved sensor durability and the automotive industry's shift towards hybrid and electric vehicles. Predictive maintenance through telematics technology is also becoming more widespread. By 2030, autonomous vehicles may further reduce these diagnostic codes. While P0170 remains solvable, skilled diagnostics continue to be essential in today's rapidly changing automotive landscape.